I just love a slight change to be, because I definitely would never go back to coloring my hair again. And I'm not recommending that you color your hair again. Embracing our natural hair is a beautiful thing, but sometimes we want to switch it up with a little extra excitement. So what's up, guys? It's your girl Sharon, and today's video we're going to be talking about your gray hair and silver enhancers. And you might be thinking, well, why is she talking about enhancing your gray hair? It's already gray, it's already silver, and why would you want to change and go back to color? But whether you're looking for a subtle shimmer that you can get from a good purple product, or maybe you're ready for a full-on gray and or silver hair enhancer, we got you covered. Listen up and make sure you stay until the end of the video, because we believe that there's no such thing as too much when it comes to expressing yourself through your hair. So let's get into this video to explore the world of gray hair enhancers and find out why you might be the one to try it.